What's going on, internet? So let's just discuss the elephant in the room, shall we? I have a giant scabbing zit here. Are we surprised? No, we're not. So I got a comment the other day from this guy, and he was like, I was wearing no makeup, like so, and he goes,
wow, I almost didn't recognize you.
and I was like,
True.
I can't even argue with that statement. In light of that little comment,
Let's just cake our face today.
yeah, I don't really know what direction this eyeshadow is gonna go. I don't know what direction this whole makeup look's gonna go, but we're winging it.
Let's get started.
I am a cake face and I am proud.
We're gonna go in with a bang, okay? We're gonna take the discontinued Morphe 35B palette. Actually, first, let's put some concealer on our eyelids. Do we have a mirror? No, we don't. Should probably get one of those. Hold on. We're just gonna use the mirror in the Huda Beauty palette because why not? You know, we paid $70 for this palette, so like, let's put it to use, shall we? I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyelid with this tan color in the Morphe palette just because it's what you're supposed to do. I don't really know. I should set one eye and then not set the other one. Mandy, now's not the time. And then let's get... I really don't know what eye look I'm doing today. Let's go into the Juvia's Place Magic palette and just go for it. You know what I'm saying? Let's put that right here. This is just gonna be a disaster. I can just tell. I don't have any plan or any direction. Normally, I'll go on Instagram. Oh my god, that's really pigmented. I'll go on Instagram and get some inspiration beforehand, but no, you know what? Nothing was inspiring me today. I was just like...
Just do it, man.
I like to do both eyes at the same time because I found that whenever I go and do one eye at a time, I get done with that one eye and then I'm just like,
Oh, like I really don't want to do the other eye now.
do you know what? We should zoom in for this. Let's be full beauty guru status. So you can see all my flaws now. It's great. Let's use this orange from the Morphe 35B. Let's go back into the palette that we actually said we were going to use, shall we? Let's use the same brush because this is like the best brush on this. I just dropped it. Oh my god, it's gonna stay in the carpet. Oh my god, Mandy. Let's try that again, shall we? And then let's just put that in the middle. Is this gonna be a basic look that everyone's probably seen a million times? Yeah. You know, maybe. We'll see. That just looks like one color. Am I going crazy? No, it looks like one color. Good. Do you know what? Since we're on that roll, let's just use the same brush because why not, you know? Let's go into the bright ass pink in here. Put that on the outer part of the crease. Kind of wing it out a bit. Let's go into this nice little coral color. The Anastasia brush that comes with all of their palettes, you know, because we're too poor in this house to buy new ones. I'm gonna put that above the orange. Let's go into this yellow. Let's put that above this mess. Okay, we're gonna use Saffron from the Desert Dusk palette. Put that on the inner part just to deepen up this. I'm gonna title this video How to Look Like a Parrot. We're going to do my least favorite part of makeup. We're gonna cut our crease. So, after a quick brief intermission, my eyes look horrible. Horrible. But do you know what? We're just gonna keep on pushing. Keep on pushing on. We're just gonna keep going. I line my upper lash line with the purple. Not even gonna try to pronounce that, in the Desert Dusk palette. Hopefully my face makeup will help redeem this.
But do you know what? Maybe it won't. You know, we're on a journey together. Mandy, be creative. Be creative.
I know. I know.
I'm gonna absolutely experiment here. Might mess up this entire look, but I'm gonna take the bright pink from the Morphe palette and I'm gonna blend it on the, yep, messed up the whole look. Keep pushing on. I mostly just did that because I don't like the shape of the cut crease that I did. And then I'm gonna take the coral and blend that in front of the pink. Then I'm gonna take the yellow
And blend that in front of the coral.
Why am I talking like this? I don't know. Okay, do you know what? We can redeem this. It's okay.
Everyone pray for me.
I'm gonna moisturize with this sample size Tarte moisturizer because
I'm broke.
and haven't gotten around to buying a full size anything. It's almost out, so. Am I going anywhere after this? No. No, I'm not. Am I 100% wasting product? No, I'm not. You know, it's for you guys. It's for all 8 people watching. Do you know what I'm saying? This is my go-to primer. This is the Hourglass Veil Primer. Okay. Do I want to use this $60 primer right now? If I'm not going anywhere, let's take a risk, ladies and gentlemen.
Life is just about taking risks.
Am I right? Let me go wet my beauty blender. BRB. What am I doing with this makeup look? I don't know. So we're gonna use this crusty Maybelline 24-hour full coverage foundation in Natural Ivy, if anyone cares. So if you are as pale and albino as me, then try some Natural Ivy. I'm gonna squeeze out some more foundation because we are trying to look like a cake, like a literal cake. Just crusty things. I should make that a hashtag, just crusty things, aka everything I do. Blend it down our neck so we give off the illusion that we have perfect skin. I get these comments at work. Whoa, what happened to my voice? I get these comments at work and customers will be like,
Oh my god, I bet people are so jealous of your skin. Like, whoa, like you have such good skin.
I'm like, thank you.
But
There's this new invention and it's called foundation and it's called makeup and it's called I'm a cake-faced hoe. But thanks. So I'm gonna use the why did my voice just go up 10 pitches? Mandy, you sound like a boy. Just accept it. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Made too many mistakes last night. It's okay. Put on some concealer. That literally has no correlation, Mandy. Why did you say that? So I'm gonna use my Airspun Loose Powder. A tutorial on how to look like Casper the Friendly Ghost meets a parrot. Huh.
so I'm gonna use
This brush that I used for literally every color on my eye, as you can see. So I'm speeding up this part because literally no one cares and I'm trying to save your time. But basically I just put all the colors that were on my lid on my lower lash line. So yeah. Next, contour. Let's try to not resemble an egg. Do you know what I'm saying? We're trying to go for a more parrot vibe today. So let's get rid of our egg looking ass. I try to be funny and this is what happens. And I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. So we're gonna bronze up our face. Who needs a mirror? Okay, that's a lot, Mandy. Make sure to top off your brush, guys. If you... Mandy! Whoa. I'm going to use this Morphe Y17. It's the brush I use to nose contour because your girl needs to do that. And so now we're gonna use this MAC dirty, crusted brush and go into the same color that we used to contour nose. Continue the process of trying to not look like an egg. Get rid of that triple chin. And so now I'm just taking some light colors in the palette and carving out the bottom of my contour because I see every single beauty guru do it. And so now I'm taking my Benefit Ka-Brow and let's do these eyebrows, shall we? So I'm gonna say something that everyone's thinking. My eyebrows are very mediocre. I'm not good at them at all. I have yet to master my eyebrows. I've been doing them for years, but you know, I'm just very lazy and I do them in probably like 2 minutes, while as most like beauty people do them in like 15 or 20, which
I think is a little excessive if you ask me.
so I just like to settle for the mediocreness.
Deal with it. You know what I'm saying?
And so now I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with Vermeer from the Modern Renaissance palette. Is it necessary to use this many eyeshadow palettes in one look? No. No, it's not. So I'm gonna use my Milani Luminoso blush. So I'm gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus. I don't think Fix Plus is meant to be setting spray. I think if anything it makes my makeup transfer off onto my clothes more, but you know, you do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna use a classic today. I'm gonna use some Becca Champagne Pop. I'm gonna highlight my nose to just help with the whole catfishing effect, you feel? So I can't find my can't find my black lash glue, so we're gonna have to go in with this velour mediocre lash glue. And I'm using the House of Lashes in Dubai. I'm sitting here debating if I really want to put false eyelashes on. So now that we look like a hooker, let's put on some lipstick, shall we? I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star Allegedly liquid lipstick. I don't know if I'm digging this color with these eyes. So I'm gonna mix in some Calabasas. I don't think we're caked up enough, you know what I'm saying? Let's add a gloss. So I'm gonna use this Kylie Jenner gloss in Poppin'.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How to freaking cake your face. So would I wear this to the grocery store? You know, maybe. Nice little everyday makeup look in honor of looking like a catfish. So if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials by me, you probably don't. So let me know in the comments. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thanks for watching till this point. There's probably no one watching till this point. It's fine. Catch you guys on the flip side. Haha. Can't believe I just said that. Do you know what? I just realized my eyelash was off of my eye in that entire clip. Life, man, it's rough.